Welcome to the Omega AI training video series. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Social Media Writer in Omega AI. Go to the left menu and click on the Social Media Writer. Choose the option of your choice. Now you are on Social Media Writer section. You can write any type of AI-powered social media content from here. Just add document title, about, choose your language, your creativity level, phrase repetition level, input presence level, and variation. And your content is ready. You can either copy it or download it. Thanks for watching the video.